Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you on how to fix a OneNote sync error in Microsoft. So, without further ado, let's begin. First things first, OneNote needs an active internet connection to sync. So, we need to make sure that our Wi-Fi or Ethernet is working. After checking if your Wi-Fi is working, make sure that your OneNote is updated. Now, to sync your notebooks, go on the File menu on the top left of your screen. From here, click on this icon which reads View Sync Status. Now, you have many options in this screen. You're given an option to sync automatically whenever there are changes, or even sync manually. On this menu, all your available notebooks will be shown. And then, you can either click Sync Now for the notebook that you want to get synced. And if you want to sync them all, click here which says Sync All. Give it a little time, and that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!